Hello and welcome to the Scatterable channel, and today I'm here at Montech Suite at Computex 2025, and I want to tell you about their new PC cases that are not only coming out soon, but some of which are available right now, like the X5. Montech have moved heaven and earth to bring the release date from this case from the end of June to right now. So this is their new ATX mid-tower flagship PC case, comes with 4 included ARGB fans, and the price is indeed $75. And I went ahead and checked this with the Montech reps, but that price is firm. That price is with tariffs included, which is insane. So crazy value coming out from the X5, and this is going right at the Air 100 and the Air 903. So if you wanted a different and more stylish looking PC case, the X5 might be for you. But what we also have coming out soon is the X5m. This is what I'm even happier about. It's the same concept, but with micro ATX. And the price is even cheaper, $60. And again, that's with tariffs included for my US viewers. That is so awesome. Again, I think Montech is satisfying a case market that a lot of us semi-budget PC builders have been really asking for, and that is making some nice micro ATX PC cases. Because not all of us want these tall ATX PC cases in our setup. We want something that's a little bit more compact, and this gives us just that little bit less headroom, right? But you get a smaller motherboard, still with all of the cooling and features, still 3 120s in the front. Again, I like that Montech is doing this, but they're also making some other micro ATX cases we gotta check out in a bit. So what I've got going on right here is the King 15 and the King 45. These are some continuations of Montech's existing King case series of PC cases. So King 15 is micro ATX, hence the 15. Check this out as well. The power supply, as we've been seeing across Computex, is mounted here on the side. So it's not in its own chamber per se. So this is kind of minimizing the width that you otherwise find in other cases of this size and stature. But look at that at the bottom, 3 full 120 millimeter fans. So at the moment, this is scheduled to come out, but for all of you micro ATX builders who wanted a badass looking micro ATX PC case that can perform, this looks promising. But if you're on ATX, again, you've got the King 95 right here, not 95, 45. ATX, same sort of design, larger. You have the power supply right here. And again, this is going to be smaller in terms of width than, say, the regular King 95, which has the power supply just slotted on the backside of the motherboard tray. So these are some new cases coming out for the King lineup, and we'll see how they do. I personally like these more because, again, they're slimmer, and the cooling performance is still gonna be mostly the same. It doesn't stop. I'm actually really excited about this. Montech is updating their budget power supply lineup. Why this matters is because there's only been like one budget power supply I've been consistently recommending in all of my PC build guides, and I'm getting flippin' tired of it. But Montech is bringing some new stuff, starting with the Beta 2. Pricing for this, I think, starts at $49.99 for the 550 watt model. 80 plus bronze, comes with all the power supply protection measures you'd want. It is not modular, but it is their updated unit, and I think it's gonna be aiming at the MSI MPG 550, that's the name of it. It's gonna go up against this, and I can't wait to see how the Beta 2 fares in terms of pricing and performance. But more importantly, we've got the Gamma 3, and this is where I think it's actually an even better value proposition. So this starts at 650 watts at a price of $59.99, 80 plus gold, but get this, it comes with a 12 volt 2x6 cable. Yeah, so if you have a certain Radeon or an NVIDIA graphics card that is using that special PCIe 5.1 connector, you've got that available to you on a power supply unit that starts at $59.99 US. And it goes up to $750 and $850. So if you didn't care about modularity, this could be a great value option for 80 plus bronze power supplies. But also, it does not stop. We have the Sentry 2 here, which is very cool looking. These come exclusively in silver, which I think is a cool move. Yeah, you may not see it in your PC build, but heck, it's gonna look great. Starting out at 850 watts, the price is $89.99. That is really competitive. $109.90 for 1050 watts. And finally, $129.90 for 1200 watts. There are some units out there that have the same performance as the Sentry 2, but they go up even higher in price. So again, Montech really emphasizing price to performance, not just in their cases, but now in their power supplies. So for all of my Montech Sky fans out there, we've got the Sky 3. So there was the Sky 2, now there's the Sky 3, and this is a unique PC case. So look at this. You've got two fans here on the bottom of the PC case, and you have the power supply right next to it. This is a trend that I see that was just started with the LandCool 207, if you remember that PC case. Montech is expanding on that concept with their own PC case, but bringing the flashy aesthetics that they're known for at a good price. This at the moment is supposed to come out next year. There's no confirmed pricing for it. But what's notable about this is that you can have the bottom chamber laid out like this if you wanted to, or if we move over here, you can move it. You can move the power supply to the right if you say have a shorter graphics card. And once again, having fans that shoot air directly into your graphics card is going to lower your GPU temps no matter what. So that is great to see, but what is also interesting to see from Montech is that they're dipping their toes into a new micro ATX and ITX PC case. This is called the Ten. So this right here is the case in a micro ATX form factor. It may look similar to the Leanly A3 or the AP201, but it's got a few things different because unlike those cases, it can also be shifted into an ITX form factor. So if for any reason you wanted to go from ITX to micro ATX without changing your PC case, you can do that with the 10, which is going to come out sometime next year. But again, this is Montech's first attempt at making a micro ATX ITX style case. So if you think this is a case you'd want to potentially get, let me know in the comments. And again, check out the footage here. You can do this in ITX or micro ATX. Again, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget though, Montech is also known for their coolers, and they are bringing some new AIOs out there that are using some new components. So recently Montech have changed manufacturers for their pump and radiators. So this is on a new platform, and yet again, they're still bringing competitive pricing. But the one that I want to point you guys at is this Hyperflow Digital. So a lot of these new AIOs that come with this fancy looking display here use an LCD panel. And while those are very cool, as you guys might guess, the cost just skyrockets. So what Montech has done here is that they've taken a cost-effective approach. So if you just want to view your CPU or GPU temps, you can do that straight from the AIO. And again, the price for this, I think, is $100. So if you wanted to see your CPU and GPU temps without paying $200, you can do that with this for $100. But also this is a really cool Cyberflow conceptual AIO. This is again using Montech's new platform that I was just talking about, which allows for interesting designs like this. I actually quite like this, but we kind of don't know if we want to have more glass on this or not. That's what I've been told. So if you guys would like to see that, I can tell that to Montech. Otherwise, this is a cool conceptual design. And finally, they're going back to air coolers. The pricing for these is going to be super competitive, but the one thing to note is that the thickness of the fan here is not 25 millimeters, it's actually 28, so it is a bit thicker for actually better performance than apparently Thermalright, which is a big claim. Anyways, going back to PC cases, this is what I want to finish out on. Here's the HS02 3D, so one panel right here, another panel right there, and the third panel on the rear. So if you wanted more panels to your HS02, you have the HS20 3D right there. But this is what I want to highlight. This is the Air 2000. This is going to be Montech's new flagship Airflow PC case. But what makes this unique is this display right here, where you can actively change the fan speed of the fans inside this case straight from the PC case. So as you can see here in the B-roll, you can click the arrows up and down to change the fan speeds in whatever increments you want. Right now, I think it's at 10%. However, if you were to hold down this button right here, the square button, it'll reset and bring the speed of those fans back to what your motherboard had in the BIOS. So you can go straight from manual back to automatic, which is pretty neat. And that is the Air 2000. This is a conceptual case for those of you who want to smash in a ton of hard drives into your PC case. And I think that's about it. Yeah. Montech is bringing a lot of new cases, but again, X5 for all of my US viewers is available right now if you want to check it out, on top of some other air coolers. So once again, thank you to Montech for helping out our Computex coverage. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. And if you enjoy Computex videos, you just have a certain thing for it, we got like 6 more to do. So subscribe. With all that said, thank you so much for With all that said, thank you so much for watching, and this is the Scatterable channel, signing out.